Hey traders, let's have a quick look at USDCAD from a weekly perspective, what we can expect from next week. So in my last analysis, guys, I told you that you should be looking for a buying opportunity in this area here, and there was some sort of rejection on the weekly time frame in this area and started a small push to the upside. But let's go down on the smaller time frames to actually look at price action. Now, on the smaller time frames, what can you see, guys? It's very important for what kind of price action you can see in the market and how you actually look at the market from a different kind of perspective. Now, for me, if I look at a market like this, I can already see that the market had already broken out from this trend line over here. Okay, you can see the market had broken out of this trend line area here, and it is definitely possible that the market can make a further push to the upside. Why am I saying this? Because we have this strong area over here on the weekly time frame, and we wanted to see some sort of rejection there, and that's exactly what we got. So if we look at it from a price action and a pattern point of view, you can see that the market could also create this head and inverted head and shoulders for the next push to the upside. Now, if you would like to trade this pair next week, it's very simple and important for you guys to understand. If you take your Fibonacci from this low over here to the high of the impulse here, because if you have this impulse to the upside, what do we actually want to see? We wanted to see that the market rejected some of the Fibonacci's, and that's exactly what we got. We saw that the market came down and rejected the 50% Fibonacci, and then came up and rejected the 32.8 Fibonacci, and we can expect further continuation to the upside from a daily perspective and also from a weekly perspective. Now, if you look at it, the weekly, go back to the weekly time frame, our target, of course, would be around this area here, because this is a very strong area in the market. You can see many times the market had touched this area here, and the market had touched this area here. So this means that the market is a very strong area. It has a very strong area in that area especially, and we want to see the market making the next push to the upside. It's very clear that on the daily time frame, the market had a lot of problems to actually get through this area. If you look at it from this type of point of view, you can see the market found a lot of support here, a lot of support here, a lot of resistance here, and then all this support here was actually waiting for this push to the upside. So basically the market was in a very nice setting on last week, because we have this break of trend line. When we have a break of trend line, it's very important to actually wait for confirmation. And on the 4 hour time frame, it's not yet clear on the 4 hour time frame that we can take this trade to the upside. But on the daily time frame, with our students and members, we are waiting in this area for a good opportunity to take this trade to the upside. Now, these are the two targets, guys. Make sure that if you do trade, make sure you using risk management, and also make sure that you guys know when to enter the market. The best thing for you guys to know how to enter the market is if the market will now start creating higher lows and higher highs, then the market is definitely trending to the upside. Of course, if the market will now start next week, come down and break this strong area of support, then I will not be interested in taking this trade to the upside. So on Monday and Tuesday, I will be watching the market very closely, especially the USD pairs, to see what kind of price action we have for next week for Monday and Tuesday. If the market environment is good and it starts to show me that the market is creating higher highs and higher lows on the 4 hour time frame, then I will be interested in taking this trade again to the upside. But on the other hand, if the market will now break below this support area, then I will not be interested in taking the long. I will then be interested in taking a short opportunity, also with a good risk reward. So it's very important for you guys to pay attention on how the market moves next week. It's not good for you guys to just enter in the area for a buy, but we don't know where the market is going. We need to see some sort of confirmation that the market is going to trend to the upside. So I hope you found this video educational. If it was educational, make sure you hit the like and follow button below. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button because you will get daily updates and weekly updates about pairs that you can trade every single week. Hope you guys have a great week next week and happy profits. See you guys in the next